everyone, myself Angad Hanumantanikam. Today's our discussion topic is control statements which are used in the Java. Basically control statements are the statements which controls the flow of the program. These are called as the control statements in Java. There are three main types of the control statements in Java. First is that decision making or conditional statements. It consists of two statements, if else statement and a switch statement. Second one are looping statements. Looping statements consist of three statements: while, do while, and for loop. And the last one is that jump statement, which consists of two statements again: break statements and continue statements. So our today's topic is decision making statements with within it if else statement. If else statements, it means that the condition is provided, and if the condition is true, then if block is executed, else rather uh, else block is executed. It means that it gives output either true or the false. If the condition is true, if block is executed, and if the condition is not true, then else block is executed. It consists also the nested statements. Nested statement means that if consists of one block, after that else if consists of the main various conditions according to the user. If block's condition is false, then else if condition will be checked. After that else if consists of various blocks, so various block of statements condition are checked, and after checking the conditions of various blocks, uh, last statement is our else statement. If the condition is false, false, false in within two statements, two blocks, if and else if, then last block will be executed. Last block is else, so last block will be executed. Let's consider one example. If I have 1000 rupees, then in the if block, if the amount is greater than 1000 rupees, then I will system dot out dot println, I will go to the 5-star hotel. And in the condition, if I didn't have 1000 rupees or less than 1000 rupees, else I will go to the mess. So if the condition, if I have 1000 rupees, then first condition is wrong, then automatically else statement will be executed, which is that I will go to the mess. So as like this, the condition will be executed. If else statement gives our boolean values, like if the condition is true, it gives true value, or if the condition is false, then also else one true value will be given, true, either true or false. So this is all about the conditions or decision making statement. Thank you so much.